Hello everyone. Welcome to the Career Path Discussion series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss about the career path of a data strategist. How do data strategists navigate the complexities of data privacy, ethical considerations, and regulatory compliance while still leveraging data to drive business growth and innovation? Data strategists can increase a company's revenue by up to 15% by using data-driven insights to optimize operations, personalize customer experiences, and predict market trends. So without any delay, let's see what we have. We will cover introduction to the data strategist, who is a data strategist, skills and qualifications and salaries, starting your journey, career opportunities and growth. So, introduction to data strategist. In the digital age, data has become one of the most valuable assets for business. Companies increasingly rely on data to drive decisions, improve operations, and fuel innovations. A data strategist plays a crucial role in this data-driven transformation. This video explores the career path of a data strategist, including what the role entails, key responsibilities, skills needed, educational requirements, and career opportunities in the field. So, who is a data strategist? A data strategist is a professional responsible for developing and implementing strategies to collect, analyze, and leverage data to meet business goals. Their role is to ensure that the data is collected, that is valuable, accurate, and aligned with the company's objectives. Data strategists work with multiple teams, including data engineers, data scientists, business analysts, and IT departments, to create a roadmap for data management and utilization. The impact of data strategy, business transformation. Implementing effective data strategies can lead to transformational changes across business operations. Organizations harness insights from data to innovate products, optimize processes, and enhance customer experiences, drastically shifting their market positioning. A robust data strategy equips companies with the ability to respond swiftly to market changes, anticipate customer needs, and outperform competitors. This strategic advantage is vital in maintaining relevance in a rapidly changing marketplace. Who is a data strategist? He is a professional responsible for developing and implementing strategies to collect, analyze, and leverage data to meet business goals. Their role is to ensure that the data collected is valuable, accurate, and aligned with the company's objectives. They work with multiple teams, including data engineers, data scientists, business analysts, and IT departments, to create a roadmap for data management and utilization. What are the key roles and responsibilities of a data strategist? A data strategist plays a critical role in aligning a company's data initiatives with its strategic goals. Their core responsibilities include data governance and management, ensuring that data is collected, stored, and managed effectively across the organization. Strategic data planning, long-term strategies for data collection, integration, and analysis that support business objectives. Data analysis and insights. Interpreting data and providing insights that help drive business decisions. Collaboration. Working closely with cross-functional teams to implement data-driven solutions. Technology implementation. Recommending tools and technologies for data analytics and data management platforms. Monitoring and reporting. Evaluating the effectiveness of data strategies and making necessary adjustments to improve data performance. Compliance and ethics, ensuring that data handling complies with legal regulations and ethical standards. So what are the real-world examples? Numerous organizations have successfully employed data strategists to revitalize their data approach. For instance, a retail company used data-driven insights to optimize its inventory management, resulting in reduced costs and enhanced customer satisfaction. What are the skills and qualifications of a data strategist? To be successful as a data strategist, you need a combination of technical, analytical, and business skills. Some essential skills can be data analysis and interpretation, the ability to analyze data and derive actionable insights. Business acumen, understanding how data aligns with business goals and can solve business problems. Technical knowledge, proficiency in data management tools, database systems, and analytics software like SQL, Python, R, and Tableau. Data visualization, ability to present complex data in an easily understandable format for stakeholders. Project management, managing multiple data initiatives, ensuring deadlines and goals are met. Communication skills, effectively communicating data findings and strategies to non-technical stakeholders. Problem solving, strong analytical thinking to identify patterns, solutions, and opportunities. Knowledge of data governance, understanding data privacy, compliance, and security protocols. What are the educational background for data strategist? A data strategist typically has a background in fields like computer science, information technology, statistics, or business analytics. Most data strategists have a degree in computer science, data science, statistics, business analytics, or a related field. Advanced degrees like MBA with a focus on analytics or the master's in data science can be advantageous for higher level roles. Certifications can be Certified Analytics Professional, Data Management and Strategy Certification, Google Analytics Certification, Azure Data Engineer Certifications, Data Analytics Certified certifications. These certifications enhance your credibility and demonstrate a deep understanding of data management tools and frameworks. How to start your journey? To start your journey as a data strategist, gain educational qualifications, pursue a degree in data-related fields such as computer science or data analytics. Develop technical skills. Learn key tools and languages like SQL, Python, R, and data visualization platforms like Tableau or Power BI. Work on projects. Build a portfolio by working on real-world data projects, either through internships, freelance work, or personal projects. Learn data governance. Understand the regulatory aspects of data, including privacy laws and ethical standards. Networking. Join data science communities, attend events, and connect with industry professionals to stay updated and updated on trends and best practices. Seek entry-level roles. Start in positions like data analyst, data engineer, or business analyst to gain foundational experience before transitioning into a data strategic role. What are the salary expectations for a data strategist? The salary of a data strategist can vary based on factors like experience, location, and industry. On an average, the entry-level data strategist can earn up to $90,000 per year. Mid-level data strategists can earn up to $120,000 annually. Senior level professionals can earn up to $160,000 annually or more. In areas like Silicon Valley or New York, salaries can go higher, particularly for individuals with extensive experience and expertise in specific industries. Career opportunities and growth. The demand for data professionals is steadily increasing across industries. As a data strategist, there are several opportunities for career growth, like senior data strategist or chief data officer. You can eventually move up to senior roles where you will lead entire data teams and oversee data strategy across an organization. Data consultant. With experience, you may move into consultancy, helping business develop tailored data strategies. Specialized roles. Many strategists specialize in areas like machine learning, AI-driven data strategy, or data governance, opening new career paths. Entrepreneurship. Some experienced data strategists decide to start their own data consulting firms or work as freelance experts. Given the centrality of data to business success, the future of data strategists is bright, with continuous demand in various industries such as healthcare, finance, retail, and technology. Conclusion and call to action. A career as a data strategist offers exciting opportunities to blend business insight with cutting edge technology. It's a fast growing field with a strong earning potential and the ability to make a significant impact on business success. If you are ready to dive into data, start by acquiring the necessary skills, gain hands on experience, and building your network. The future of business is driven by data. Get on board and become a key player in the data revolution. So, if you're ready to start your journey as a data strategist, begin today by focusing on learning and developing the key skills that will help you carve out a successful career as a data strategist. Thank you.